sugar. So you want it to thicken up. Now we're going to put it in the refrigerator until the posolé over here is done cooking. We'll add some of this to the posolé, and then we'll also use it as a garnish when we serve a salsa bowl. And you want to taste it. It is a garlicky chili. It is pretty spicy, so just a small taste. If you need more garlic or salt, put some in there. If you need more sugar, and blend it. And it will set up in the fridge. It'll get thick and you kind of like a smoothie consistency. This chili does sting, so once you get it on cloth like clothing, it does not wash out.